Hi, this is Ambasan, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, which is related to the previous session. So, as I said, there is a several type of robots we are already using in the industries. Now we are going to discuss about the cell design layouts item. So, in the previous cell design layouts, we have discussed about robot center was cell layout, how the robot has been placed in a center, and how the work surrounding has been kept into certain areas to make an impact, how it has been placed in a vital role, and how it has been an industry as and how it has been how the application has been developed derived based upon the making cell layout in the center and how other parts of the manufacturing has been done take place. This is how the robot cell layout has been take place. So now we are going to discuss about the next topic, which is nothing but as I said that. It is one of the topic which is similar to the previous session. Now we are going to discuss about the next topic of the robots which are used in inline centers. So the from the picture itself, we can able to understand how the robot has been playing. Right, the robots are placed in an inline like the several robots are placed in a series of orders to perform a certain function of task. Especially the best example for that is in an assembly section. So the in assembly section, as I said, more than one robots are located in a line conveyor. While the work is organized, so each robot performs assembly operation. Example, a welding line robots, where each robot is said to make a certain test for them. So the picture seems everybody knows the picture. By the picture itself, you can able to understand that how this has been taking place in the criterion. Um, the robot, similarly, as I said, the robot one and robot two are placed in a sequence order. The conveyor has been moving as conveyor the part which is moving to one place to another. So as I said that it is one of the major impact that the conveyors are also playing into a moving line sectors. And this is the main inline robots, where the inline robots are running into a certain conditions of how it like has to be taken into consideration. So as I said that inline robots, the robots are making to function a certain task. One parts are moving from one section by step layer. So once the step by step layer has been taken into consideration, these parts are moved according to the work functions, and the work has been done based upon the requirements we are needed. So we say that as I said, it is mainly used for transmitting the robot lines. There are several where the robots are transmitted from one part to another part. So that there is need of transmission lines. I see. These are the three type of things. One is intermediate transfer lines, continuous transfer lines, and non-synchronous transfer lines. So by the name itself, as I said, that it is a different type of transfer lines where it has to be takes place. So the name is just intermittent transfers. So intermittent transfers like it start and stop motion. So once the start and stop motion has been done along with there is a synchronized transfer has been taken place into, and since all they are moving parts are simultaneously. So this is a but the continuous transfer means the parts are traveled at a continuous speed. Where it's at the constant speed to perform the task have to be parts moving along the same path of line. Similarly, when you go for a non-synchronous transfer lines, so non-synchronous transfer lines are power-free systems. Each must move independently, like the start, stop, go manner. When the systems are as a finished work on a part, that parts are proceeding to the next workstations. So hence these parts are being processed on the line, and at the same time that others being transported are located between the process on the line at the thing according to the cycle time required for each motion of or each action to be done into certain reactions. So these non-synchronous, these three transfer mechanisms are more important when compared to with an other areas. So the physical inference of robots and machine interference robots are not required when we compare with this. So this is how the cell layout has been taken into consideration, how it has been working into a certain. And as I said, the robot cell design is most important criteria and important factor where everything has to be into consideration. This is how the robot has to perform the certain actions or certain decisions or certain decisions to be taken, or what are the changes to be done and what are the changes has to be taken into considerations, and how the robot has been playing, and the sequence of operation will make the robot to work under a certain conditions. Without the sequence and without a certain object, certain program to a certain robots, this type of function cannot be done. As I said that these are the references I have taken for the today's classes, and when you say that these sections were taken into considerations, these topics are under a certain robots and lasers. These robots and lasers are plays a vital role when compared with to the other process. As like mobile robots, the inline robots also plays a vital role in robotic industries and how the application has to be done. So this main application for this is assembly section. Uh, let's see in the next video about other mobile robot function. Till that, bye bye. Signing off from Thomas. Professor.